Want to learn how to create kids' activity books using Artistry? Then follow along with me. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to not only create the entire activity book, but also I'm going to give you a different option on how you can publish one, a hard copy, right in your hand. And the best thing about it is that you can create multiple activity books without running out of credit. So let's get started. Okay, guys, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to start. Artistly has changed up their dashboard a little bit. Well, now they're doing all the puzzle sections all together. And as you can see right here, you can do the maze generator, a word search puzzle, shop the difference, spot the difference, shadow matching, crossword puzzle, counting numbers, and so forth. Okay, so we're going to start with spot the difference. Now, it tells you right here to give a basic idea. And my basic idea is going to be, let's say, um, kid doing homework. Okay, now here's the thing about the I don't know why my ends are not working today. Okay, now you can do up to 25 pages if you choose to, and we're just for time's sake, let's just do, let's say, 4 pages. Now, if you want to create an entire book of 25 pages, you can do that. But just for time constraints, we are going to go with the 4 pages. And we're going to click generate. And we're going to see how that comes out. It only takes a few minutes. Honestly, don't take forever with their generations, which is something that I absolutely love about them. Okay, and I didn't even check. I'll check it when I do another one to see if it gave you a particular aspect ratio, because I don't even think I chose one. Okay, so as you can see, it has given us 4 different spot the differences. I love this. And I love to do these myself. So I would actually print these out for myself and do an adult version, you know. You don't only have to do it for kids. You can do one, for adult versions, like a man at his office or something like that. Okay, now this here was a generic prompt that I used. The generic prompt that I used in here was, it doesn't even show. It's just a generic prompt. But I wanted to see if it made a difference if I gave it a little more detail. So I'm going to go to chat and I'm going to use this prompt that I created. And I want to go back to Artistly. I'm going to go back to the kids' puzzles. Spot the difference. Let's do 4 pages again. And actually, guys, as I'm looking at it, it does not give me an aspect ratio. So I'm going to have to figure out exactly how big. Please wait 15 minutes before using this feature again. Oh, wow. Okay, it did say we are currently updating the app to improve performance and stability. You may experience brief interruptions during this time. That's really crazy that it did that. Let's see if I can do it now. Nope, it's still doing it. Okay, so we'll definitely come back to that. Is quite all right. Let's go to let's try shadow matching. And for shadow matching, this is great for kids that's 1, 2, 3, 4 years old. And we're gonna do something. Let's say animals. Okay. Number of pages. Let's do 4 pages again. And the color that we want to do, I would say black, because I just feel like that's easier. And let's generate. Okay, looks like we got a few that's going right there. I think that these are perfect. And you can actually do a combination of the hidden, the, I'm sorry, the shadows. So right here we have sea animals for one. This one here we have the owls and the kangaroo. And this one here we have zebras and I'm sorry, yeah, zebras and elephants. So right here we already have 8 pages. So let's see if there's another one that we can possibly go in and generate for a kid's puzzle. Really quick. Let's do counting numbers. Now it gives you different options. You can do have them count and write, and that would be a little bit more advanced, maybe for your 4, 5, and 6 year olds. Um, Count and circle, that might work good for 4, 5, or 6, or even 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then roll counting, which I think is very great for 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 year olds. So let's try something else. Let's try fruits um, as our idea. And we're going to do again 4 pages. Page count. Let's do count 1 through 10. And let's generate that one. Okay, so the images have generated and are complete. Let's pull them up. And as you can see, these are perfect for your school age kids or those of you that, teach at home. And a lot of you probably do selling on different platforms or especially Etsy. I think this is a great place to put kids' activity books. And remember, when you're ready to download, all you have to do is click on bulk download. Click that button, select each row for each of the activity books pages that you created, and it'll all download at one time into a zip file. Now, I also promised you that I would show you a different place of where you can get this printed. If you wanted a hard copy, you can actually go to, instead of Amazon, you can actually go to a company called Lulu. Okay? Lulu will let you print your book out. All you have to do is pick the size that you want. Okay? Digest, pocket, executive, small square, whatever you like. And we can say, we can do it in the small square. And then a page count, since we did 4 pages, and it's going to be 12 plus the cover, 13, 14. So we're looking at a 14-page book. Wait a minute, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to do that. Small copy. Okay, 14-page book, and you can have it done in either a bond, and I'm figuring, because it's such a small book, I think this would be perfect, the saddle stitching. your interior color pages. Now you might want the premium. You can have them done in premium colors. And since it is such a small book, having it done in premium color is probably going to be a little bit cheaper. Okay, and basically that's it. And you um, download your book and send it off. Now I've never tried this. I saw another young lady do this, and I'm going to be looking at more of her videos to see exactly how did they come out. But this is how she publishes her own book instead of using Amazon KDP, which I felt was very interesting. Okay, guys. So again, if you want to get Artistly, I am an affiliate of Artistly. You can click on the link in the description box or in the comment section below. Remember, Artistly is a one-time payment with unlimited generations. You don't have to worry about running out of credits. Okay. I will see you guys on the next video, and I will show you some other ideas that you can use to create money using Artistly. Have a good day, guys. Bye.